Okay, this is just a little thinking question that's going to involve beat frequency. A piano tuner plays a tuning fork at 512 hertz. He then plays the corresponding note on the piano. He hears a beat frequency of 2 hertz. What possible frequency could the piano be creating? He then tightens the string in the piano and repeats the process. Here he hears a new beat frequency of 1 hertz. What was the original frequency of the piano wire? So first of all, we started with a one frequency is 512 hertz. And the beat frequency of 2 hertz tells us that the other frequency is either 2 higher or 2 lower. So it could have been 514 hertz, or it could have been 510 hertz. So if this was F1, then these are our options for the other original. So that answers that question. Second question, he then tightens the string and repeats the process. Here he hears a new beat frequency of 1 hertz. What was the original frequency? Well, first of all, we need to remember that the speed of sound on a string is proportional to the force of tension, actually the square root of the force of tension. So if I tighten the string, then what that means is the velocity on the string is going to go up as well. Velocity is directly proportional to frequency, so if the velocity goes up, that means the frequency is going to go up as well. So by tightening the string, he's increased the frequency on that string. This is no surprise to us if you've ever tuned a guitar. As you tighten the string on that guitar, the pitch of the note gets higher and higher. So he tightened it, and the new beat frequency of 1 hertz was heard. So FB, I'm going to call it FB prime just to keep it separate, of 1 hertz is heard. Again, we started with 512 hertz, and that means that our new, if you want to call it F2 prime after tightening, is either 513 hertz or 511 hertz. Now, we can't tell which one of those things it is, but what we can say is if it started from either 514 or 510 and then went up to either 513 or 511, it must have started at 510, because only 510, when increased, could become either of those numbers. So the original frequency of the piano string is 510 hertz.